Here I have Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, let's open phone application, then tap here, go to the contacts, select contact which you want to add photo, then tap details, then tap edit, and then to add photo just tap on this camera icon here. Then you have an option to take picture, just select image from the gallery. Then you have to select an image. And then you have to crop it here, like you want it to see. For example, like this. Then tap done. And then tap save. And as you can see, image to contact is added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.